taking a second to share some early philosophical thoughts on the Pixel 6. This is going to be more of a video diary than any kind of first impressions or unboxing. Google already unboxed it during their keynote, so I'm going a bit more personal for this one. The Pixel this year has me anxiously excited. If you followed any of my videos in the past, I feel competition is one of the most critically important topics often neglected in tech videos. It's really easy to profit off of your videos by picking the largest audiences and telling them what they want to hear. It's significantly more difficult to honestly review products fairly or consistently. Humans have preferences. We shouldn't ignore that. But along the way, there's been a trend in tech reviews that the most popular products get graded on a curve and less popular products just aren't tested as rigorously. I don't have any scientifically cultivated data to back this up, but it's my hypothesis that a lot of folks out there are underwhelmed by new tech purchases because they buy tech that doesn't really meet their needs. It's incredibly difficult to test drive new phones and figure out what features would really improve your daily experience. And they won't learn about those nuances from reviewers so long as reviewers turn every video into a "here's the reason you should only buy the popular product" kind of conclusion. Disruption in the tech space is critical, and the Pixel 6 speaks to a serious issue in the Android ecosystem, especially in North America, where there's a lack of competition. Carriers heavily influence purchases. One company grossly outspending for advertising, and smaller players are vanishing from the market. Our options are kind of drying up. There's something critically important about the idea that Google is now the primary smaller player in hardware looking to shake up the Android landscape. We'll hopefully see some legit marketing. We'll hopefully see carrier stores put a Pixel closer to the front of the store where people might actually see one. That Mindshare is critical for competition. Even my dermatologist was asking me about the Google iPhone at my appointment before the Pixel 6 launch. Our perspective on this stuff is out of whack, thanks to Facebook-style curation algorithms. And now is the right time. It's a crucial time for tech enthusiasts to pivot, to find gadgets that are the exact right fit for an individual, not just the most generically accessible to average consumers. A person can tool around with a good enough gadget, or that person can nail the right fit for their needs and budget. You'd probably be underwhelmed or annoyed with your clothes if you always bought the wrong size. So there's a lot of competition riding on this one phone. And it's disheartening to see the folks out there who were in the mix, hyping up the Pixel 6 news, already starting to turn on it. I just got the phone in hand. I'm just starting to dig into the nooks and crannies. But the true story of the Pixel 6 won't be told during the embargo week. This is a conversation that should take place over months and years to properly verify the claims Google's making here. So I hope folks out there are game for that ride. If you're watching a channel like mine, I bet you are, because I think this conversation is more fun. And I'm excited to share more experiences with you in upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.